Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Ying with Donna. Today I'm working on month 7, week 27. And I'm telling you what, this baby is just flying by. So let's have a look, see at what I'm doing. So as you can see, we're still working out the blocks. We've got two, 27 and 28. So as I've said prior, I'm going ahead, if it needs joined, I'm making the block ahead so that I can just show you you're going to need to add here and here. So there's only 2 times that you're going to add. I love the way that they have their coding system. This is your assembly guide. Where these dotted lines are, you've learned this a few other times, but I'm going to earmark it right here. And right here at the dotted lines is where you're going to have sections that you do need to join. So as you pin in place on the ends, you're going to pin right here at the intersection where your colors line up. Then your block is going to come out stinking amazing. So here's our block. And does it not look beautiful? I just love Legit Kits and all they have to offer. And this is going to be fun. So with all of that being said, I'm absolute off the hook stoked for this project as it's rolling out, and I hope that you are as excited as I am. So I'll see you back for week 28.